Welcome back, friends. And today I'd like to go over this topic of when you have hip pain or leg pain due to from the sciatic nerve and what you can do to help remedy that and fix it. So there's four things I'd like to go over, and the first two are stretching exercises that can help a lot with this pain. So here we're just going to lay down, and for demonstration purpose I'll say that my left leg and the hip area and is hurting from the sciatic nerve, so it'll be on the left side. And if you have it on the right side, your pain, then obviously you would just do it on the right side. So on the left leg for me, the first stretch is just bringing your leg up and crossing the other leg to stretch, and just relax yourself, and nice slow deep breaths. Just slow your breathing. And then come back. And if you want to make it equal, you can do it on the other side also, just to balance it out. So that's number one. Again, you're just bringing the knee up and just crossing your body. And you can really feel the stretch on the side of your leg. Just relax yourself. And if you want, you can have a pillow so your neck is not so strained. Good. And then number two, this one is where you lift the leg up and just lay it flat on the ground. Lay your foot on the ground, and then you're gonna bring your other leg and you're gonna cross that leg over like this. And then this is like the opposites, where I'm using the top leg to press it down to the ground, and I'm using the leg that's hurting, and I'm trying to raise it up. So one is the top leg is pressing down, and the bottom leg, where the leg that's underneath, is trying to raise it. And basically you're just trying to strengthen your leg, because you're using resistance, energy. So you can go down to where you're comfortable. And the top leg will press the bottom leg down, and then the bottom leg is raising it and just applying some resistance, some force to that raising. So you can do this as many times as you like. So again, I'm using the top leg to lower the bottom leg. I want to I'm thinking that I'm trying to bring it down to the ground. And then now the bottom leg, where the leg that's underneath, you're raising it up, back up, while the top leg is resisting. Don't overdo it. Just nice and easy. Again, down. And then I'm slowly raising it up while applying some downward force with the top leg. So again, that's number 2. You're just crossing the leg over and then pressing down with the top leg. And then coming back up and applying some resistance. So it's like the opposites. Good. That was 2 exercises, 2 stretching and strengthening exercises that you can do. And and the third one is you can just apply ice on where the pain is because it's inflamed. And the ice will help bring down that inflammation from the nerve. And then the fourth thing that you can do is avoid citrus food with lots of citrus and acidy foods like tomatoes, oranges, grapefruit, even nuts, because these foods with a lot of acids, when you eat it, the acids will actually inflame that injury more, so it can cause a lot more damage to that area where it's hurt. So just be careful of your diet when you're injured, especially if you have a lot of inflammation, because the type of foods can actually hurt. It can actually do more damage to you also. So again, the 4 things is where you're bringing the leg over and just stretching, and then the second one is where you cross the leg over and you're like a resistance, strengthening and stretching. And then the third one is applying ice to that area where it's hurt. And then the fourth one is the diet and the type of foods. So there you have it, friends. Some remedy ideas to help relieve with the pain of the sciatic nerve that can run all along down your leg and to your hip, and it's very painful. So until next time, friends, have a great day.